Hello students of Standard 1. Hope you all are doing well. This is Anuradha Madam and welcome to our next chapter, chapter 6, the keyboard and its key. This is the picture of your keyboard. So, you can see the keyboard in this picture. In a notebook, we can write with the help of pen or pencil. Same way, to write in the computer we need a keyboard because we cannot write with the help of pen or pencil on the computer. So we will require what? We will require a keyboard. Keyboard is used to write letters and numbers. We can type by pressing the keys on a keyboard. So you can see the buttons are there. These buttons are called as keys, and each key is having either alphabet, number or any symbol, function, anything. So if you will press the keys, you can write on the computer monitor. You can see a wire here. This wire, with the help of this wire, computer is attached with the keyboard is attached with the CPU of the computer. In this chapter we will learn about some types of keys on the keyboard, like alphabet key, number key, space bar key, enter key, backspace key, delete key and arrow key. Let us learn about them one by one. So first one is our alphabet. Before learning about alphabet key, we will learn about one very important aspect, that is cursor. Cursor is the small blinking line on the monitor that shows the position of the next letter or number to be typed. It's just a line that blinks on the computer screen, and it shows the position of the next letter or number that we are going to type. So now we will learn about alphabet keys. These keys are used to write our words, letters and sentences. The keys A to Z are called as our alphabet keys, and there are 26 alphabet keys on the computer keyboard. So in English we have learned about alphabets A to Z. The same way, A to Z alphabet keys are there on the keyboard, which makes it possible to write or to type letters, words and sentences on the computer. Number keys. Number keys are used for typing numbers. There are numbers from 0 to 9 on the computer keyboard, and there are two sets of number keys on the keyboard. You can see there are two green colors are there. They are called as our number keys, and this right side portion is called as the numeric keys. There are two sets of number keys on the keyboard. So with the help of number keys we can write any numbers on the keyboard. Space bar key. So while writing in our copies we used to give space between two words or sentences or letters. Same way, to give space between two words and letters in computer we need a key that is called as our space bar key. The name itself is saying space bar, so it gives the space between two words, and space bar is the longest key of the keyboard. You can see the blue color, that is the space bar key, and you can see also it is the longest key in the keyboard. Enter key. If we want to come to the next line, we will press enter key. What is the use of enter key? Enter key is used to come to the move the cursor to the next line. You can see there are two shapes of enter key, same. You can see the blue colors, they are called as our enter key. Their shapes may be different but their function is same. You can use either one of the enter key to move the cursor to the next line. Then comes backspace key. Backspace key is used to erase anything that we have typed to the left of the cursor. Remember, backspace key is used to erase typed on the left side of the cursor. One example that is given in your book, you can refer it. Suppose the spelling of the class, I have written CLLASS. So I have to remove one L to make the spelling of the class CLASS. So what I will do is, first I will bring the cursor in between two L. After that I will press the backspace key. So what will happen? It will remove the letter typed to the left of the cursor and my class spelling will be okay. Then delete key. Delete key is used to erase anything typed to the right of the cursor. So backspace key is used to delete to the left of the cursor and delete key is used to erase to the right of the cursor. In the same example, after bringing the cursor to in between both the L's, if I will put delete key, it will remove the cursor, it will remove the letter that is typed to the right of the cursor. See, backspace key will remove to the left and delete key to the right. I have done here. In the direction of the arrow, it will remove backspace to the left and delete key to the right. Arrow keys. These keys have arrow mark on them, and these keys are used to move the cursor in different direction. Up arrow will move the cursor to up, down arrow to downwards, left arrow to left, and right arrows to the right. You can see the green color box, that is our arrow keys. So the function of the arrow keys is to move the cursor in different directions. Now exercise. This fill in the blanks you have to do in your book. In the page number 64. We need a keyboard to write on a computer. There are two sets of number keys. The longest key on the keyboard is called the space bar. The enter key is pressed to move the cursor to the next line. The delete key erases anything typed to the right of the cursor. True false also you have to do in your book. Alphabet keys are used for typing words and sentences. True. There are two sets of alphabet keys on the keyboard. False. The spacebar key is used to insert space. True. Backspace key erases anything typed to the left of the cursor. True. The arrow keys are moved the cursor to the different direction. True. Who am I? This one also you have to do in your book. It is there in your page number 66. Worksheet number 6, page 66 you have to do. And the longest key on the keyboard, space bar. And the key used to delete character to the right of the cursor, delete key. And the key used to delete character to the left of the cursor, backspace key. And the key used to move the cursor to the next line, enter key. Question and answer you have to write in your classwork copy. What is the use of keyboard? Keyboard is used to type letters, numbers and words. What is a cursor? Cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor. What is the use of alphabet key? Alphabet keys are used for typing words and sentences. What is the use of number keys? Number keys are used for typing numbers. What is the use of spacebar key? Spacebar key is used to insert space between two words. What is the use of enter key? Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. What is the difference between backspace key and delete key? Backspace key erases to the left of the cursor. Delete key erases to the right of the cursor. What is the use of arrow keys? Arrow keys are used to move the cursor in different directions. Thanks for watching the video. Please complete your bookwork and classwork copy in a copy and book and learn the chapter with its question answer.